My viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to Straight Yard TV. I'm gonna make something epic. This one's gonna be a banger. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the sweetest and the tastiest chicken wings ever, guys. So they are already clean, they are already cut up and washed and seasoned. So let's get right into the cooking. Okay guys, so we're gonna go back and start fry the chicken wings now, guys. We have some garlic burning in the oil. There's a thyme, a piece of pepper. And guys, cut them. I've cut them, I'm gonna make wingding style. And I have a special touch for that. So stay tuned and watch it to the end, guys. You're gonna see what I'm doing, making some nice wings for you guys. Easy. Well seasoned and soak already, guys. So we're gonna go right ahead. Guys, I have some flour here in this bag, seasoned with a little Maggi, a little slap your mama, a little complete. So guys, I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna put them in the bag. I'm gonna put them in the bag easier, guys. Let's flatten around the place. Easier to wrap with the bag, guys. Very easy. Just shake them off. Put on the flour then. Just shake them off in the bag, guys. Very easy. Add them in it. Add them in it, guys. Add them in it. Okay, guys, go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cover them and let the fire do the work, guys. I'll get right back to that. Stay tuned and watch the video, guys. Remember, the chicken wing are noise. Okay, turning chicken, guys. Put them on the other side. Put them golden brown and pretty. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Watch them fried chicken wing, you guys. They're gonna be so nice and tasty. You're gonna love them when I try it this way. Stay tuned. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Now we're gonna remove them from the pot. So then crispy and put some different fat, guys. Yeah, wow, yeah, yeah, that crispy. Yeah. Fry, fry out them chicken wing and eat. Sure enough to make one nice fried chicken wing, guys. You have friends over, family over, they want some nice food. Chicken and stuff to eat, and have to run go to the store go buy nothing. Quick and fast. Can make them nice, put them guys or can make them When they come have them season quick and fast. Okay. Yeah. Chicken in there. Go on. Yips. Alright, we're going to go ahead and remove all this garlic that we put in, guys, that burn out. Chew them out. Don't need them no more. And the scallion, the thyme and the pepper. Yeah. Remove them from that. Alright, we're done with that. You don't want them burn out and start make the oil bitter. Consent to them work. I'm done. Okay, guys. We'll go ahead and remove all them seasoning our burn out, the pepper, the garlic and the thyme. Cause them already finished with them work, guys. You know what is them work? Seasoning up the oil and flavor, guys. Flavor. You know we go. Cover them about them one now, guys. And wait for the set to come out. And then we'll put our next set. So stay tuned and watch the process, guys. And you will learn how to fry some authentic chicken wing, guys. With the special touch I'm gonna show you. We're gonna be off the hook when you taste it, guys. Remember, stay tuned. Yep. Getting there, getting there. Check out this portion, we'll put in the next last portion. And then we are almost finished, guys. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Today we are doing a nice southern chicken wing style. Easy, nice flavors. Okay, guys? You can use them for any party, any little event, any little thing. Okay, guys? So stay tuned and watch what I want to go do it. Yeah, well, come along now, guys. We're ready to take them out as soon as them crispy a little bit more. We take them out. Okay, guys, let me take out the second set. Put them nice and pretty, guys. Good, that's what I'm talking about. Nice and pretty, well cooked. Okay, guys, so open the next last set now. Here we go. Some nice chicken wing, guys. We're gonna get today. These chicken wings, you can use them on any event, like I say, guys. Any farmer party, any farmer get together. These chicken wings, perfect. Okay. Oh, shake them in the flour, guys. Shake it in the flour. Just shake them in the flour, guys. In the bag. That's it. That's it, guys. Knock them off. Knock off the excess. Knock off the excess flour, guys. That's it. See? Nice. Okay, guys, so we're on the last batch now, guys. So finishing up the chicken wing, guys. This chicken wing gonna have a twist on it, okay, guys? So just stay tuned for that. It's gonna be the sweetest, nicest finger food you ever eat. Trust me. Let them get some more soak and cook a little bit more, and then we'll finish. And get some more color in the meantime. And we're done. That's it. So all of my subscribers, stay tuned. Watch the video to the end. Remember to like and share and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Straight yard in the kitchen. Cook where I cook to the guys. One love. Okay guys, so now we're there to the finishing part of the frying chicken, so we're gonna go ahead and take out the rest of the chicken, guys. This is the last portion of the chicken. Well, fry nice and juicy. These are the bone, down to the bone, guys, seasoned to the bone. These type of chicken, you can just eat them just like that, guys. But I tell you, I have a twist for this one, guys. So just stay tuned and wait for the twist. Type of chicken, guys, so nice. You just eat them alone just like that. Can't eat with anything, you know, guys. Rice and peas, white rice, anything you want to eat it with. But this can't eat by itself. It's something to eat by itself, but you can eat something with it if you want. It's your choice. This is just something to eat when you really want to relax and eat some chicken. Probably some chicken and chips, some chicken. You can make it yourself, guys, quick and fast. Now I'm gonna show you the twist, guys. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and give you the twist with the nice flavor. Crispy, crunchy. Gonna be so nice, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna give you the twist. So, guys, I have 1 cup of, let me show you what's going on, guys. 1 cup of this sauce. I just poured it out there. You know what it is, guys. This is a This is a Kraft spicy honey barbecue sauce, guys. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in the bag, guys. I'm gonna dump all this 1 cup of nice sauce in the bag, guys. But I don't like my chicken too wet and sappy and saggy, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, drop some chicken in the bag, guys. Okay, guys, so here we go. I'm just gonna put them in the bag and shake them, guys. Shake them up. Shake them up. Shake them, guys. Shake them. See that? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead. Guys, now I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna put them in the bowl. Gonna show you some nice, because they're still crispy, guys. Still crispy. I don't want them to be wet and soggy and soft. They're still crispy. Just glazing properly. Properly glazed. Properly glazed, guys. Just properly glazed. Still crispy and nice, guys. When you eat this, guys, when you check this one out, oh, you're gonna say, yeah, thanks for this. Thanks for this ingredients, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and put the rest in it. I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna probably have to add a little bit more to it. So let's see, let me creep out my container first, because seems like I'm gonna need a little bit more sauce, but let's see guys, I'm gonna shake it first. Yeah, we're gonna need a little bit more sauce guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add like about this much that leave in the bottle guys, like quarter cup. Quarter, just like quarter cup. I'm not gonna throw it in there again and then have to take it out back. Yeah, that's the perfect amount. Perfect amount. Perfect amount, guys. This is the perfect amount. Shake him up, guys. Bake and shake. Perfect amount, guys. Perfect. Telling you. Wow, you see that, guys? I'm not even gonna pick them out, I'm just gonna throw them out. Show them right out of the bag, guys. Put the sauce and everything. Wow. That's what I'm talking about, man. With all that sauce. Everything out the bag, guys. That's it. That is it, guys. Okay guys, so here you have it. Nice. Ready to eat guys. So guess what happened guys? So this is the perfect spicy honey. You can't get better than this one. Trust me, you can't get it better. Complete crazy guys. I'm gonna dig in it guys and tell you how it goes. Yeah, I like these ones. Yeah people, you eat this food with your hand. Okay? Yeah. The crunch guys, the flavor of the sauce. Perfectly cooked guys. You see? Perfectly cooked. Perfect. No blood, nothing. Perfectly cooked guys. Okay? And hear the crunch guys? This is what I'm talking about guys. Movie night, movie night. Get these chicken guys if you're going to do movie night. Super Bowl, Super Bowl. Super Bowl night guys. Get these chicken when you can't miss. Trust me. Do it step by step. The same way I show you guys. You will have the best result ever. Remember. You're not going to want to buy no more chicken wings so. We out. Straight yard.